This code, what it does is pretty much asks for a word, and then it counts how many letters in that word you have. Pretty much it is something very simple. So then you go here and you approve. There you go, you approve VS Code, and now it has access to your codes. And now actually first let's try it here. So I'm running this and it says enter a word, so we're gonna put George, for example, and then it will tell you that George has 6 letters. So now I can bring in my ChatGPT with VS Code and say instead of counting the letters, count the words. And then it knows what I'm talking about because it has access to the code. So I don't have to take any screenshots or anything. And then it made already the changes. So I just copy, paste, and then I run it again. So I go Python 3 main py, that is the name of the file. It shows up here. And then I run it. And there you go. So now we're gonna put the same word, George. And it says that this is only one word. We can run it again. So let's go again, Python 3 main.py. And wait, let me actually fix this terminal. Okay, bear with me. I'm just gonna do this smaller so you can see it.